How the Netherlands is winning the battle against rising seas. Rising sea levels, driven by climate change and melting ice, are posing unprecedented challenges for coastal regions worldwide. These challenges include increased flooding with higher water levels and stronger storm surges, coastal erosion leading to the loss of land and vital ecosystems, saltwater intrusion which contaminates freshwater resources, and community impact causing the displacement of populations and disruption of local economies. To protect coastal communities, governments and researchers are turning to innovative adaptation strategies that blend engineering, nature-based solutions, and smart urban planning. Innovative solutions for coastal adaptation. Engineering approaches include dikes and levees, which are robust barriers constructed to prevent flooding, storm surge barriers, mechanisms that protect against extreme tidal events, and seawalls, reinforced structures that shield inland areas from wave impact. Nature-based solutions involve wetland restoration, rehabilitating natural buffers that absorb floodwaters, mangrove plantations using coastal vegetation to reduce erosion and provide habitat, and living shorelines, which combine natural elements with engineered structures to stabilize coastlines. Adaptive urban planning focuses on resilient infrastructure, designing buildings and roads that can withstand flood events, managed retreat, the strategic relocation from high-risk areas to safer grounds, and smart zoning, regulating development in vulnerable zones to minimize future risks. Case study: how the Netherlands is winning the battle against rising seas. The Netherlands is a global leader in coastal adaptation despite having about 26% of its land below sea level. Key strategies include the Delta Works, a sophisticated system of dams, sluices, locks and storm surge barriers designed to protect against the North Sea. These structures have significantly reduced the risk of catastrophic flooding, allowing the country to reclaim and maintain its land. Another strategy is Room for the River, which involves designing projects that give rivers extra space to safely overflow during high water events. This approach minimizes flood risk while enhancing natural habitats and improving water quality. Integration and innovation are also crucial, with the Dutch blending hard infrastructure with nature-based solutions to ensure flexibility and sustainability. Community involvement is key too, with public engagement and transparent planning processes being crucial to the success of these strategies. Future directions and global lessons. Scaling solutions. Countries worldwide can adapt the Dutch model to local conditions using a combination of engineered and natural solutions. Technological advances. Emerging technologies like smart sensors and predictive modeling are enhancing real-time monitoring and decision-making. International collaboration. Sharing knowledge and best practices can help communities worldwide build resilient coastal defenses. Discussion questions. How can the principles behind the Delta Works and Room for the River be applied to other vulnerable coastal regions? What are the pros and cons of hard engineering versus nature-based solutions in coastal adaptation? In what ways can communities be engaged to ensure that coastal adaptation strategies are both sustainable and equitable? This overview underscores the importance of innovation and integrated planning in addressing the multifaceted challenges posed by rising sea levels. By examining successful examples like the Netherlands, we gain valuable insights into building a more resilient future for coastal communities around the globe.